Okay. Hey class, welcome to your 20th day of school. And the first thing we'll be doing is math. Okay. A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetie.
What happened is I tried to get something.
Oh, Mr. Chicken,
Get something, so
what seems to be the matter?
I tried to close it.
I have a headache.
I got to work. Then I got something and
Okay, you got a headache? Go down to the nurse. We're out of medicine, sir. So head back to class.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, well, it seems to be fixed now, sweetie.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, I love you so much. Happy to help.
The next day, a substitute comes in. The light's on. Oh. I have a headache. Okay, go down to the nurse. I told you were out of medicine. You're out of medicine. The very next day. Okay, who turned the lights on? Your substitute? I got it. He knows the forbidden rule. No turning on anything that is related. No pulling these chains. The spin chain is more forbidden than the light. I absolutely hate it when the fan's on.
I have a question, and if you want...
Anyways, since the substitute didn't turn on the fan, I won't be telling the teacher. I mean the principal. Okay, flip the switch off. Hey, I have a headache. Go down to the nurse. I told you we're out of medicine. How did you even get the headache? I went 3 days without sleep. I should be going down to a doctor, but my mom says I don't need doctor's appointments for sleepless nights. Also, since my head is hot, can you turn on the fan? No, it's forbidden. No, not even my family is allowed to pull the chains. It's the forbidden rule if you're the middle teacher, or which is in the middle of the class that is further down and the class that is behind your class. So, sorry, maybe you should have gotten in a different class. Like Mrs. Rosie. I'll just turn on the air conditioner. Press this air conditioner. Oh no, the air conditioner, it didn't work. Oh, there's a substitute. I wonder why they leave it so dark. Things in the video. Okay, Mr. Chicken. I have a headache and the nurses are out of medicine. Do you mind turning on that fan? Let me check. The school books, the handbook says if you're in the middle of two classrooms, it's absolutely forbidden to start that fan. Why is that? It brings bad luck to the school.
Then why's the fan on?
Why is that? If all the fans are on, all the fans will fall, and you know what will that lead to? Only if the fan were to fall. Wait. Stop airing. Peanut, out of the scenes. Okay, you had your fair share. Then, when the teacher comes back, why did they turn on the lights? Eventually, Mr. Chicken is getting sick of it. So, during study hall, he was talking to Peppa. Hey, Peppa, the teacher won't turn on the fan because he thinks it will bring bad luck to the school. That's totally not true. Just a hoax. And I have a huge headache. A fan could help me out. So you distract the teacher, or when he comes in, I turn on the light, Nolik turns on the lights, I lunge at the spin chain and pull it twice for high speed. Peanut! Out! Okay, after study hall, the teacher walks in. Nolik!
This little puppy went to market. This little puppy keeps Patty so big.
Hey, stop doing that. Lunges at the light. Turn on the chain! Turn on the fan! No! No! Bad luck is brought to the school! No! At least this fan will help me with my headache a little. No! 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 So, the moral of the story: always provide someone's needs, especially if they have a headache, or they will get frustrated and do it for you, but in a way that you'll get karma. Like, the teacher thought that, if all the middle class, if one of the middle classroom fans were on running, and there will be bad luck sent to the whole school. So, always provide someone's wants, needs. Bye.